Yeah. My, my name is Bhabani Misra. I work at University of St. Thomas School of Engineering as Associate Dean of Graduate Programs, which has both software, data science and engineering programs with about 950 students enrolled in that. During last April, Professor Anand Agrawal visited our campus along with Professor Kanhaiya Singh, and I had an opportunity to meet with them, and then Professor Agrawal suggested that whenever I come to India, I must make it a point to visit GLA campus. So I took that opportunity of that invitation and came here yesterday, and I'm really impressed with the infrastructure, the beautiful campus, the students, the discipline and everything, really very impressive. I had the opportunity to meet with Professor Dilip Sharma and Professor Jalal, and also learned a lot about the programs and the large programs that you have and the useful programs that you have, and also the opportunity to meet with the faculty and few graduate students, and this morning I had the opportunity to meet with final year computer science students and talked about our program. So overall, I feel good about my visit, and I feel that there are multiple opportunities how our university and GLA University can collaborate for the betterment of all our students. Thank you.